What's going on, everybody? I'm not wearing any pants. Alright, so I got my pants on. So today, I got some splaining to do. I ain't put out a video in weeks, and we're going to talk about that once we get on the bike. It's a nice day outside. I'm going to go ride. I'm actually going out with one of my subs. It's ThunderGT. We're going to go out to Cars and Coffee this morning, and then we're going to head out to Barber Motor Speedway to go to the Indy car races. So, should be a good time. So, y'all are going to come along. I hope I have enough battery life, because the battery on this little Hero 3 sucks. So we're just going to see how it plays out.
What's going on, everybody? We just left Cars and Coffee, and we are on our way to the Indy car races at Barber Motorsports Parkway in Leeds, Alabama. So, I got my buddy ThunderGT with me on his FC07. I am on the R3, and we are hauling, well, I won't say we're hauling ass, but we going. So let me give y'all some background on why the hell I have been absent so much in the last few weeks. I have been busy as hell. So as you guys know, I'm in college. I've been working on my degree and whatnot, so I've got a big exam coming up, Cisco certification. It's a big pain in the ass. I won't bore y'all with the details, but if y'all are interested in know what that's about, just Google Cisco CCNA and you'll want to kill yourself. So, at any rate, I got that going on. We've had some issues with work that's been keeping me busy. Unfortunately, we had a coworker pass away, and I've been kind of picking up the slack for him. So that's been going on. So that is a sexy bike. That is a very sexy bike. Oh yeah, sounds good too. But yeah, he passed away, and so I've been kind of picking up the slack, and we've had to have things like some big maintenance things going on. I had to work a 24-hour shift one Friday night. That sucked pretty hard. But today is finally the first day that it's been nice. I didn't get to go to the air show because it got rained out, and I had just come off of a 24-hour shift, so I was like, fuck it, I'm going to sleep after I get me some food. Speaking of food, this is important, alright? Now I need y'all to pay attention. Yoo-hoo has got a caramel chocolate drink. I have not had one. I have only seen and heard rumors of. So my mother-in-law buys my kids little yoo-hoo, little yoo-hoo boxes, little juice boxes or whatever. She buys them, and she found these. I haven't figured out where she found them at, but she found the caramel ones and gave some to my kids. Well, when I saw that, I was like, oh my god, I have to try this. And I asked my little kid, my 2-year-old Rachel, I'm like, hey, can I have some? She's like, no. I'm like, fine. And then a little while later, she was sweet. She came over. She said, hey, Daddy, you want to try some? I'm like, yeah. So I grabbed the box, and as soon as I grabbed it, I noticed something. That damn thing was empty. And then she giggled like hell. I'm like, my kids are assholes. They're assholes. They're cute, but they're assholes. So I have yet to find this stuff. I've been to every convenience store in a 5-mile radius of my house trying to find this stuff, and nobody has it. Matter of fact, I told the one convenience store to see if they can get their vendor to stock it, because I need this in my life. This could be life-changing. So, yeah. But anyway, that's kind of what's been going on with me. We're just going to be out here riding some. It's a beautiful day. The weather's nice. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's just enjoy the ride.
Alright guys, unfortunately my battery died on my GoPro, so I didn't get to record a whole lot of the races itself or the ride home. The battery I've got, I think, is just bad. I'm trying to track down some GoPro Hero 3 batteries. I know it's an old camera. I need to get me something new, but that's time and money. We homeschooled my kids, so that's a lot of time and money that's going into that right now, trying to get school books for next year. But anyway, I digress. Hopefully a new camera will be coming soon, but until then, you guys just have to work with me a little bit on this battery situation. But yeah, first off, I want to say huge thank you to ThunderGT for reaching out to me and offering to give me a ticket to the races and go hang out with him for the day. That was pretty cool of him, and I had a lot of fun. That was my first Formula One race, and I still can't hear anything, and my face still hurts because when you're losing your hair, the sun burns a lot. So my face is red, and yeah, my wife is making a lot of jokes about me leading Santa's sleigh here lately. So yeah, there's that. Yeah, I'm pretty sunburned, but overall I had a good time. It was a real fun. I encourage any of you guys, if you get the chance to go out to one of these races, definitely go. They're a blast. I had an absolute fantastic time out there. I just will remember sunblock and maybe earplugs next time I go. Surprisingly, I didn't see anywhere where you could get earplugs. So maybe I should start a business and sell earplugs out there. But anyway, that's what's kind of going on with me here lately. I've been studying for my Cisco stuff. And for any of y'all that are in the IT field, y'all know how much material there is for Cisco. I think I probably got 100 hours worth of videos across 3 different courses, 60 labs, a 1,000-page textbook, and this is just for one part of the exam. And you know, some people blow through it no problem. I'm not one of them. Networking is one of the things that I struggle with a little bit. But they kind of got me thinking, though. I've got a lot of knowledge when it comes to the IT world and building a career from basically nothing. And if it's something that y'all want to know more about, just let me know, and I'll make some videos kind of around my career field. Kids are knocking on the door. Yeah, I'll be quiet so they don't know that I'm in here. I got donuts that I'm hiding somewhere. They found me! They found me! Run! No! Send help!